Hi, my name is Scott Swaaley. I'm the founder of Makesafe Tools, and we're here at the NSC Expo 2019 in San Diego, California. And we're showing our Makesafe power tool brake. So I'm going to show you a few things in this demo we have set up. Here we have two stock bench grinders, and on this grinder we've installed our Makesafe power tool brake, and you can see our brake down here and its control panel here. So I'm going to show you that when you start these pieces of equipment, they'll start up as normal. This one with our brake installed, this one without. And once they come up to speed, you know that if we switch these off, normally they will coast for over 2 minutes. But now, with our Makesafe power tool brake, all we have to do is turn it off, and this one comes to a complete stop in just 3 seconds, meaning that it's now safe to be around the machine, to walk away from the machine, where this one, the stock bench grinder, is still spinning and will continue to spin for almost 2 minutes. That means people walking by can get injured, people coming near the equipment not having a visual cue it's operating can get injured, and that can be a really big deal, not just to prevent injury, but also to make sure you're complying with OSHA. And in addition to that braking that we just showed you, it also eliminates two other hazards. And one of those is accidental restarts, which occur after loss of power, and also the ability to abate a hazardous situation. So built into this device is accidental restart prevention, as well as an ANSI compliant emergency stop that you can position wherever you like. And that's our Makesafe power tool brake.